रिक्रूटमेंट रूल में सिविल जज था, तो वी
हाँ
हैड
हाँ
passed the order and it was kept because on the 18th the matter was
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा वो वाला है, वो वाला है ना, सिविल
हाँ
जज वाला ना।
हाँ
Yes,
जी
ओके।
18th
इसमें
को लॉर्डशिप को
बताए
कुछ
मिस्टर मले, अरे बघेल,
My lord, I have already informed them, my lord, and the written
हाँ,
examination is scheduled to be on 18th of May, my lord.
तो 18 तो अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कुछ आया है क्या इसमें?
नहीं,
अच्छा,
अभी
18th मार्च को लगा था, तो उस दिन वहाँ स्टेटस ये हुआ कि कर्नाटका ने स्टे कर दिया अपने यहाँ का प्रोसेस।
हाँ, तो इसीलिए
और
मिस्टर मले, अरे सॉरी
Karnataka
बघेल,
My
you
lord.
also
Andhra Pradesh
instruct the PSC that
जी
they should be also not proceed with the matter as it is sub judice, ठीक है ना,
My lord.
because all the high courts have stayed,
yes ma'am.
है ना, अगर मतलब probably
कर्नाटका, गुजरात,
कर्नाटक,
आंध्र
गुजरात, राजस्थान,
Andhra
all of
Pradesh,
them have,
Guwahati,
हैं,
Andhra Pradesh, Guwahati, all the high
लिखे
courts.
लिखे the matter has been listed today and the श्री क्या कहते हैं एजी साहब का नाम क्या, the counsel for the parties submit that the matter was last listed before the apex court on 18/3
नहीं 18/3 को हुआ नहीं कुछ, 18/3 को कर्नाटका ने इंफॉर्मेशन दी कि
नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कोई तारीख लगी थी ना, 18 को लगी थी,
18/3 लगी थी। 18/3 को सिर्फ इतना हुआ, मैं ऑर्डर पढ़ देता हूँ।
जी जी,
insofar as the High Court of Karnataka is concerned, the High Court of Karnataka has already put the selection process in abeyance in order to await the decision of this court with regard to providing minimum numbers of years of practice as a lawyer as a precondition for appearing for judicial magistrate first class and civil judge. He further submits that so far as High Court of Gujarat is concerned, the procedure is stayed by this court. Similar notification has already been issued. So this information was taken on record. So in this view of this matter, nothing remains for consideration.
ऐसा करिएगा, the learned counsel for the it has been pointed out by the learned advocate general that on 18/3/2025 the apex court passed a following which is reproduced here is under the counsel for the PSC Shri Bhagesh states that the PSC has notified for preliminary examination na?
Written examination on 18th of May.
18th of May 2025 है ना, and as the apex court has ceased with the matter until further orders of this court, no examination shall be the status quo shall be maintained. ठीक है ना, ठीक है ना, कुछ नहीं, the PSC is directed not to proceed with the examination in question until further order कर देते